These YouTube videos have millions of views, and their thumbnails weren't made by experts. They were created with a simple AI tool that anyone can use. You can make thumbnails like these in just 2 minutes. Step 1. Download the thumbnail from the YouTube. To download the thumbnail, go to YouTube. Find out your favorite thumbnail, copy the link. Now search YouTube thumbnail, downloader.com. Paste the link to the box, and the thumbnail is here. Download it. Step 2. Go to ChatGPT. Make sure you're using the latest version, or you can use the available version, but it can provide only 3 image prompt idea. Both work perfectly for this. Next, click Attach File and upload the thumbnail. Then, in the box write, describe the photo in detail for AI image prompt. For example, I uploaded this one. ChatGPT will analyze the thumbnail and generate a detailed image prompt for you. Copy the prompt. It's time for the fun part. Create your thumbnail with AI tools. Now it's time to bring your idea to life. Personal favorite? Ideogram. Why Ideogram? It's user-friendly, produces high-quality images, and gets the text on thumbnails just right. Plus, it's free. You'll get 25 tokens daily, and each token generates 4 images. That means up to 100 free images every day. Log in to Ideogram, paste your prompt. Adjust the text. You can modify the image. Select the image style, like photo illustration or cinematic, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails. Then click Generate. Within few seconds, you'll get 4 stunning options. Pick your favorite and download it. Sometimes AI tools get the text wrong. Use Canva to fix the image. Use the Edit Image feature. Click Grab Text, a pro feature, and fix any errors. You can edit or replace the text, adjust its font, color, or position, and make it perfect for your thumbnail. Then download it to PNG format. Step 4. Enhance your image. While free tools might limit the resolution to 70%, here's an easy fix. Use Upscaling app, a free tool to upscale your image up to 5x. Simply upload the image, and in seconds, you'll have a sharper, high-quality version ready to go. In just a few clicks, your thumbnail is polished and professional. And that's all. Here is everything you need to create unique thumbnails in just few minutes.